2014 or 15.
So 7 years ago.
Yes.
So how was it? How old are you now? Are you 18?
Yes.
18.
Yes.
So 7 years ago you were 11 years.
Yes.
And you started bike. How old were you when you started, you see, riding bike?
I don't remember, but
Who taught you? Who was your teacher, your instructor, to tell you how to ride a bike?
instructor.
One day you had you saw a bike at home, took it out, kicked it, and you see one bike. Was it like this?
Yes.
And you did not, you see, run into anybody. Have you ever hit anybody?
Yes,
When you were learning your,
yes, I did.
how many people did you hit to learn your bike?
Everyone.
One. Was it a young man or is he an old man?
Old man.
Old man. You didn't you see harm, trauma, kept side. What about you? How did you learn your riding bike?
There was a bike in our home and it was most of the time was free.
No.
I once started to kick, then started to drive it at home.
Inside, no, you just have it control.
Yes.
Okay. And then one day you decided that this is to come on the
Yes,
road.
once I feel I am full driver.
When I hit I was free, but bike is not in my control.
So it happens that when sometimes we are out, people mostly they are when they see situation is out of control, they are horrified and they leave control. Okay, especially the lady. Okay,
Yes.
And they think that ladies should also, girls should also have motorbikes. If I go back to 20, 30 years, 30 years ago, if I go back, people did not have, everybody did not have a motorbike.
Yes.
Mostly, more than 50% young people, they used to go and come on bicycles. I remember in my time there was Solar bicycle, and now I have Solar motorcycle. So I did see in those days, almost all the young people, they did not have a motorcycle. Okay, and only some elderly people, they were coming and going on motorcycles. And better Nagaro. So they used to come and go on motorcycles. So it was similarly I see now that girls they are also coming and going on motorcycle. They are using more and more girls are using motorcycle. Do you think that it is good?
It is necessary because everybody is not afford cannot afford.
You see, for the transportation of ladies, there's one thing is that movement of the ladies it has become more. Okay, in the past there was not much movement. A few ladies, neighborly ladies, they sat together, they started chatting. That was their internet. Okay, internet was always there, and they were sharing news, telling, getting, receiving the news, all that, and very much they were living in the sea. Uh, it was not a problem of movement, okay? But now you see the girls they have to go to schools, colleges, some other places, okay? So do you think that it will be very good if, for example, if my sister says, okay, I want to go, okay, sister, there's a bike, go, take my helmet and go. So do you think that it will be a good idea? It will be a problem, religious. I'm not talking about the freedom of women. Okay. Another way I should say, do you think that girls should also learn how to ride bike?
Yes.
They should be centered to, for the girls, that they should learn how to ride a bike.
In our society, like we are living in village where we don't want to.
I saw a woman lady, village lady, see, many years ago. And there in LDA society, you see when you go to Raymond, there's from Jubilee Town to Raymond, there's long road,
Yes.
and then near the railway on both sides, so there are some empty spaces. And I saw a woman, perhaps village woman, and she was riding a bike, okay, going at full speed, and her scarf for the battalion that was like a flag sitting waving behind, and she was going on. She was a big woman, okay, and she was going on by no problem without any issue, okay. She was, everybody could see that she was a woman, but she didn't care about the road. She was just driving. So, do you think that women should also learn riding bikes and see these modern technology? I mean, say
Yes, I think she right.
they should have learn driving.
Yes.
Or you just think okay, women should stay all the time at home? They shouldn't go. Acha. So, so it is. You think that's not important for the woman to learn riding bike? Important or not? Should or not should? Not important. They should stay at home, and if they want something, they should tell brothers or see, okay, we should go back.
Yes.
Do you have sisters?
Yes, I have.
Do you have them? 5 things.
Yes, I have.
They ask you, okay, bhai, jab tak भेजना mobile को credit भेजना or some other thing.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have sisters? Do you have them?
Yes.
In movements, okay, they ask you, Baijan, yes, and you say, okay, I will go. I will say, you say, I don't have time, I will be. How is that? You take care for them.
Yes.
And you say, okay, they should not worry, I will buy everything for them.
Yes.
You feel proud of that. Oh, I am helping my family members.
Yes.
Okay, do you think that girls should learn, they should be, because these are our boys, males, members of society. We are moving forward, we are learning everything. When mobile comes, we just, every young man is having touch mobile, okay? And very surprisingly, they are more expert in operating. I just see I have this, but you know that. Sorry. Anyway, so if we go learning in the same way, and our women, they don't learn, we think they are also learning new technology.
Yes, they should learn, but
We have now more women drivers here. They can be set, they can drive their cars or take easy movements, okay? It is safe for them, and their movement is safe, okay? Instead of going on some, you see, private transport or, so from anywhere, a woman can just start a car and she can go anywhere. We have ladies in your village who drive cars.
Yes.
And yes, they are safe, no problem. They can go with their family, their children. And
They can drive car but not bike.
they can drive car, but not bike.
Yes.
Well, people are, you see, now less paying more, not very much attention to the ladies. I remember in the past, even driving a car was very difficult for the ladies.
Yes.
If there was a lady driver and all the people, the young men, they cooperation in driving, it was kind of, they were feeling it was a kind of challenge.
Yes.
It is the same as you see, lady is driving a bus, okay, and it's a challenge for the other male drivers, okay, and not easy to have this. our society is changing. Okay? And in Pakistan, I didn't see, but in other countries, I have seen. Women are driving, you see these containers.
Yes.
The long containers, they are driving. And they don't realize that they are man or woman. They just I remember I was going to the seaport. I used to go there. And see a container lady was driving. Normally, we sat at a place where there are so many ladies. There were drivers and some other. And it was summer, hot. And it was 2-3 kilometers, and I was coming on foot. And see a container came. I said, Mom. I said, they perhaps asking me to get aside. So I got aside. I was already on the side, and then she braked it and opened the door. Okay, come. Again, I said, thank you. Frisco, Parapoli. Okay, that means thank you very much. So then she a little talked to me, and we came. Okay, hello, again on the place where that was a working place. And she picked me, she brought me. She didn't have any problem.
Yes.
She was young, she was beautiful, everything. She was healthy, she was traveling container. Actually, her father once, he fell ill, some kind of road accident, and he had some problems. And the things are, everything is insured there.
Yes.
The truck was insured, they did not have much problem. The government, they have very useful policies. So they sat there, you see when the earning person, okay, he got on the bed. So it was, one thing was for the income was reduced and expenses, they increased. The other thing was they were losing business as well. Then the driver's wife, almost every woman is driver there. She decided that she should drive the truck. And she started driving truck, and she came to the port. There she took the container. And when there were phone calls in her, and at that moment received phone calls. And in the past, she has been coming with her husband, or husband told her, and she maybe asked him. And with a little guidance, she came to the port. She took the truck to have the container loaded, and then drove it to the place. Then she came back to the port, got another container.
Wow.
She delivered it there, and in this way, she saved the business.
Yes.
And she saved expenses as well. And in between, when she got time, she gave some hours to the family members as well. Later, husband recovered. Then both husband and wife, they started, they had two trucks. Okay. Then their, boy, son, he also became, when he was young enough, he got another truck. So there were 3 trucks. First it was 1 truck and the whole family was 18. Then there were 3 trucks and 4 or 5 people, they were expenses, they had reduced. So they had more money.
Yes.
Then they rented their trucks to other people, okay, to other drivers, the extra trucks, okay,
Yes.
because they had more business. And then their daughter was also there. And there was a daughter who was driving the truck, and she learned it from her parents, others. And after some time, she got her position on wireless. Okay. Because in those days, mobile phones, they were not very much in use, so they talked to one another on wireless system they had. So she was always on wireless, all communication. She was learning communication skills. You are also studying. She managed communication skills, the trucks, the delivery, the information, when, where, all that. She was also dealing that. And she was also delivering the message from the factory owners who were importing the thing. if there was something.
Yes.
So all the time, so the whole family was with me, but God bless them, they were very nice people. Or, they were rich, but you see, the lady was coming in a truck, and I, the foreigner, not the local person, and I was going on food, and she just stopped it and said, come. And it was it, she said, oh my God, very good, okay. So it happens, no problem. Maybe we are changing into that. Well, these women are talking about liberalism, freedom. Perhaps they want this type of freedom. Okay.
Yes.
We are already. They don't need to demand it. Okay.
Yes.
We are already going to that freedom. Okay.
Yes.
I remember in my times when I was your age, women have, you see, burqa type. You see, it's gone. It looks very strange. Some woman is pointing in a burqa, we say this is, she lives 50 years in the back. So mostly women, they are not, just the start is not. And it happened in 20 years, 10 years only. Okay.
Yes.
When I went from my country in 1991, and I came back in 2000, so the burqa was gone.
Yes.
Okay. Mostly women, they were not wearing burqa, they were wearing shawl. So we are already going to have these changes. Society, these people in Europe, they were very much like us. They were a family system. They were religious, and they had their own traditions. Okay, they protected their women all the time. They were working. Women it's not that women don't work. Only they want just to take care of the family members. Well, that's also a great work. Okay, women were already in cities and villages. They were already busy. They were working. Okay, all the time, women. You see, man and woman cannot go without one another.
Yes.
Okay, and I have also seen that mostly it happens that those men and women both they are working. So one has to work if they have a family.
Yes.
One has to take care of the babies. Okay, the children are there. Okay, so a woman is working, so who will take care of the children?
Yes.
Father will actually, or they will send the children to their, see some nursery or some other place,
Yes.
boarding schools, So this kind of situation. So either way, people pay for that.
Yes.
So better it is that women should take care of the children
Yes.
and men should take care of the family.
Yes.
So this is he should go, he should earn, and he should bring them from here. But women are not always to stay, to be stuck in, you see, women work in the family, making all cleaning, this. Sometimes they also need to go to or recreational situations as well. So this is, life is becoming very fast. Okay, so new skills for this reason I was thinking that ladies, if I see some young girls, they are having their work and they are driving on the road, and more women are
Yes.
and one way it is also safe for them, and that they can go to university, they can come, they can go, it's easy movement. Okay, instead of rather than stay on the roadside, wait for some Sangha taxi or all that.
Yes.
It's good for them. They take bike and they go and they come back. Small distances they can easily cover. They go also for shopping, because that's it. Yes. But anyway, this is we change the topic. Okay, I think it's getting very long about it. Okay, now we see it is. I'm sharing the screen. Describe a hotel that have you ever been to a hotel? You went to Marine, actually. You
Yes.
stayed in a hotel. So what was the hotel like? It was very big. Okay. Have you stayed in a hotel?
Yes, I stayed in hotel
Where was it?
uh, one year back.
1 year ago.
1 year.
1 year ago, you stayed in a hotel.
Yes.
So how was it? Very big, very small?
It's not a big and not a small.
How many rooms it has?
Uh, yes,
10 rooms,
10 or 20, 15 or 20 rooms.
15, 20 rooms it has.
Yes.
So, do you think that there should be hotels in our local areas?
Yes. There are total local areas.
Well, we have hotels, but they're very expensive.
Yes, but
Maybe 2,000, 1,100.
yes,
Okay. So we don't need that much expensive hotels.
yes,
So there should be some hotels, guest house should be there. Well, 3,400, 300, 400 you just pay and you see have a cup of tea or, do you think that is very good?
yes. I think that is very good.
We have restaurants, okay? We go there, we eat there, but we don't have place to go sit there, spend some time, okay? So there should be some places. Do you think that there should be places that we should go and sit there? Like in Turkey, I saw, there are, you see, uh, Kamakan. Kamakhana is a kind of the tea house, you can say. So people with their little money, they just entered there. Okay, it is very because it's very cold and we have heating system and it's very hot, not hot, it's very warm inside. So people go there and there you see people are playing Ludo type games and the other people, 4 people are playing and these 10 people are just watching like this, okay? And maybe if there is some place, if you want to have a tea, you can also, and there is table, chair for you and you can go and sit there. And you can spend there as much time as you want. After 10, 20 minutes, you will come, they will give you tea, but you have to take tea after 20 minutes, half an hour. Or you can start games for it. There are 2 friends. You can go sit, you can say, okay, Ludo please. And you have Ludo and you start playing. And naturally, when he will come, he will give you a cup of tea after that. You pay for tea only. So do you think that we also need this type of, you see tea houses or restaurants
Yes.
or hotels?
Yes.
Okay. We also need that.
Yes, we also need because we spend some time with happy mood.
There is also there are sometimes guests, because it is not that we have our guests from local only, okay? In the past, all the relatives were living in one place, okay? Then you see, as we had better transport, so we had our relatives living in different places. So naturally, there are some, you see, events that relatives come from different places. So there are some very good, you see, relatives, okay, close relatives. And there sometimes there are some casual relatives like we come from mobile phone.
Yes.
And some of our guests, he comes from Karachi and we are not familiar. So we don't take him to spend night and spend time in our home. So it's better that we should have him in the guest house.
Yes.
So do you think guest house is also very important?
Yes. Absolutely.
In villages, I remember in my village, okay, I lived for 40 years, there was a kind of haveli. So people who were guests, they spent the night in havelis.
Like data.
They okay. Yeah, they spent. Do you have system like this? Havelis,
Yes.
deras? If there are some, you see, casual friends, so you can spend time there.
Yes.
They have bed and bistar available there.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so this was about hotel. And tell me about your favorite hotel. You will have to tell me 3, 4 things. Hotel, now you will speak, I will not speak, okay? Where the hotel is, okay, how it looks, what facilities it has, about the facilities, and why do you think that it is very good hotel. You tell you have been at a hotel. Hotel is very good. Where it is, how many, what facilities it has, and why do you think that it is very good hotel?
Why? Because his his food is very good
Food is very good.
and rooms are also very good and clean.
Okay, make stories. जो नहीं है वो भी बता दो. Okay, you tell me about a hotel that you have visited.
I don't,
You never went to a hotel.
but I don't
Remember?
Yes.
No, you remember.
Because I went to hotel after many years.
Many years ago, you
Yes.
stayed there. Okay, what do you see? And is there any hotel that's very good in your opinion?
I have listened about Royal Palm Hotel, PC Hotel.
Have you ever visited?
Yes, I visited Royal Palm, but not PC.
When was the?
It was our party, welcome party by Punjab Police in Royal Palm Hotel.
Okay. Where is that?
Near 7th underpass.
Seven?
Underpass. on
Seventh
Canal-
underpass
Canal Road.
on Canal Road. Okay. So what you liked about that hotel? Why did you think it's a very good?
Yes, it was very good hotel.
What special?
The environment,
You stayed in a hall. Was it a big hall?
it was marquee.
Huh?
Marquee.
Marquee. So you had to see there also marquee is good. You think for you see these functions?
Yes.
Is that expensive?
I don't have any idea about it.
You don't have any. When was the last time you went to the market?
One week ago on wedding,
One
week ago.
week ago. Where was it?
It was Okada.
Okay.
Yes.
So, how was the setting all that you saw?
Like normal Shadi hall.
Sandhya? Was there any, but do you go to very often, do you go to marriage ceremonies, parties?
Yes.
When was the last time? Hello, guys.
Yes.
When was the last time you went for a party? Do you go to parties?
No, I
Marriage parties, I mean.
yes, sir.
When was the last time you went to a marriage party?
1 week ago. Same.
You both together?
Yes.
Okay. So, did you like the party? Were there many people? Are you just only two friends? What, did you have other friends as well?
Family members.
Family members. Okay. You are brother, I think.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So, how was you sitting? That was very good. What special was there? Lighting was.
And it was our first experience in that hotel. Service was good, the food was good.
Was there any music?
Oh, yes, there was good.
Any live performance? Jokers? People have entertainers these days.
No.
No, jokers. Okay. Do you think that is very good that around wedding parties they have some dancers as well or
Yes.
jokers? As well?
It is
Is that good or not?
It is good.
Good. They entertain a lot.
Yes.
See,
Yes, marriage ceremony not a funeral. We should have entertainment.
okay. So this should be how they arrange. Very good. Good idea.
We should have happiness instead of sadness.
Of course, of course. So there should be jubilation, and that's also very good. Okay.
Have you ever seen dance?
But no, I don't remember. Okay. I don't go to marriages as well very often. Okay. Very rare. I go to marriages. Okay. One things are important when people are choosing a hotel. Okay. When you go somewhere and you have to make a selection, like Murray, you go there, and you, what special things you know that this hotel is good, that suits you? Should it be cheap or neat and clean, or is it?
It should be neat and clear, heated rooms and warm water. And location must be near GPO.
GPO?
Yes.
GPO mean post office.
Yes, General Box of Mall Road, Murray.
Why GPO?
It is the main picnic point, main life point.
We think there it should be near GPO because it is very convenient.
Yes.
It's not that you go to GPO and you send letter somewhere. No, not from that. So GPO is a place and it should be near GPO. You see, there are some facilities, conveyance or some other things which is traveling. So it should be, when you go there, stay in a hotel, do you wish to stay in an expensive hotel or just you try to save money?
I went there is in it was a packing like there are many companies tour agencies. We were with them.
Okay. So how many hours, how many days tour was it?
Like we spent 6,500. It was 3 days tour, and breakfast was there and dinner was there. Transport was also transport, dinner, breakfast, and hotel was their responsibility.
So these tourism, we see tour operators, okay, they think that it will have more business in the future. That's very good.
Yes.
If we go alone, one thing is that if you are going in a group, so there is some information that how many people, they have the record, how many people are going there, the report is there, information are there. So they go together, okay? Rather traveling with the strangers, okay? So it's very good, it's safe, you have your own pre-plan everything, and guides are also there to tell you that here stay, this is dangerous, this is not dangerous, okay? So
Last time when we visited Murray, we visited where many hotels meet person there was sitting on reception, and we told him what they charge one night and one day, and they were charged different, and we stayed in they charge less.
okay, then the one that was not very expensive, you stayed there.
Yes.
Do you have a wish to stay in a very expensive hotel?
No,
Like you see, Bahia Royal Garden, I don't know what is this.
no,
Bahia Hotel, the same thing, like this, very good. Or GCPC or some other things. Do you wish that you should have a lot of money and should stay at?
yes, I wish, but when we have a lot of money,
Yes. Okay, what will you do if you have a lot of money? Man can be rich any moment, okay? We don't know. So if you have a lot of money and less money, if you keep spending, will you feel boring all the time of giving money? No, it's not good. Eventually people will come to Allah, will come every day, everybody will come. So you will keep giving, okay, yes, money,
if I have a lot of money, I would like to visit in other countries, and like that.
You will go to Europe. okay.
Yes, and see what where lifestyle of people,
Their lifetime.
their lifestyle, and we also visit beautiful place in Europe countries.
In Europe, one thing is, I have seen, only one thing is very good. That is neatness.
Neatness.
They don't want dust. Those chairs, they don't like it. You know, I have lying my books here. You don't want it. Then they come and say, why they are lying you see more than 1 hour here? And all the time, neat, clean, they don't understand. They don't keep many things in them. I have learned from them. They don't keep many things on the floor. Okay? When we don't have many things on the floor, it is easy to clean. One thing is that they don't have many things on the floor. Other is that they always keep their things neat and clean. Even when they, in the morning, they go outside, they make their bed. When they come back, they take shower and bed is ready for the bed. But in our society, you see, I never remember when before going out, all the time, I just left my bed. My mother made it great the second time when I came back and it was once again. She loved me and she did it. But I didn't realize that I should myself do this. Okay. So from other countries, I have learned that make bed. Okay. So be independent and it should be neat and clean. So this is the difference. They are, you see, neat and clean. Otherwise, I don't see. If they are neat and clean, you see them, they're beautiful, their dresses are neat and clean, their faces are skin are shining, you know.
Yes.
So this one thing that I needed, and if we can in Pakistan, yeah, if we adopt this, it will become neat and clean, it will be very good as well. But our these circumstances, we don't have that much money. Okay. They also have some, you see, I worked with a person, he had a factory, small family or family members were working. So I worked with them for some time and in other countries. So he had very old truck, okay, to carry his items like boards or because he made furniture, doors, or all the, especially cabinets, he made all that. So there were machines. He had a good area. There were machines, cutting, polishing, board. He had all the machines related to woodworking. So he had a very old truck, a small, you see, like a van, which you see here in Pakistan, milk, the milk delivery, milk carrier, you know, you see they have small vans. They're not, you see, very shiny or very neat and clean. They're not, okay. But the same type of old thing, very dusty, like he had. But he also had a very neat and clean car. That he used, that car, neat and clean car. When he had to go to some party, he had to go some traveling, okay, some other countries, then he used that car. But normally for our local, you see, here I see this, you see, there is a shop of the milk shop is the dairy, milk and dairy shop is there. The people, they come on their vehicle, and they are sometimes on their Land Cruisers, or sometimes you see on their Dala, and all they come and just to take 1 kilo of yogurt. Okay. But those people, they use casual cars, not very good. Okay. Just normal cars. Rather, they will walk to the shop. But this is. But when they have to go somewhere, they have some, for example, if they need to go to the office, they will sit in the car will stay there, and they will come back and car will stay at home. For short distances, they don't take a car again and again. Okay? And they keep it washed, neat and clean. So this is the one thing. When we have a lot of money, what the first thing that will come to, we should be neat and clean. Our house should be neat and clean. We should be neat and clean. Our dress should be neat and clean. This is what we will do with our money. Okay? So, when you have a lot of money, will you spend it to give it to the people as that? What percentage of money you will give to the people?
I think when we have a lot of money and help the needy
If you have 1 crore, will you give away 20 lakh?
But
distribute, will you give to your poor family members, not very lucky family members? Will you give the distribute? Okay, पैसे आ गए, this is for you, this is for you, this is for you.
Yeah. Maybe.
Or you will just pour money, 1 crore in the bank. Yeah, I have nothing, Will you do like this?
It's went on time.
Will you give a party when you have 1 crore rupees? Will you give a party? Or you think no need, no party?
Yes, no.
Okay, here, if you have a lot of money, what will you do? Will you get to get 1 crore rupees? Okay.
Yes.
Will you give a party?
No.
All money to the bank.
No. First, I will invest.
In that.
Then I will party from the income.
You will make some charities if you have gifts.
Yes, sure, it is compulsory.
Okay, you will give some poor people. Okay, very often we see that we have poor people around us. Do you think that if somebody has poor relatives
Yes.
in other countries and there are poor people in our local area, so if we have money, who should we help? Our relative or the person?
Yeah, relatives.
Relatives first.
Yes.
Okay. Is it not some of money to the
First,
relatives?
we should help our relatives and friends. Then,
There are neighbors, there are families, neighbors.
but relatives come first.
Do you think that there should be a community center? I'm giving tell you a very important thing, which will be wrong when it is not available in Europe. Do you think that there should be community center in every city? A house, common house for everybody to entertain the guests, visitors, or for the elderly people to spend time there, there should be. If I have a lot of money, what I will do? I will have in my street, I will have, you see, maybe a house, 10 on the house. I will make 2-story, single story, okay? And there I will make a small restaurant, tea or some food, I like food. There will be LCD as well. You see tables and chairs. And there will be one room, 1 or 2 rooms for the elderly people to stay there, have conversation, advise the people. And if someone is tired, he should lie there or after. Okay? Better name number, there is 4 or 5 there, they should be there. And the elderly people will have respect there. If they don't have money, no problem, they should go, they come there and they should eat.
Yes.
If there is a poor, he should come there, and naturally we will realize that what is his job, what he does, like a corona time situation, people are staying at home. So rather, instead of staying at home, they should come to that community center, welfare center, you can say community center, they should come there. And there, the problem should be discussed. How to use the boat, and how to, if there is any planning to make the street beautiful. There I will buy a highest flying coach type, okay?
Yes.
Small minibus to make one tour in the morning from my area to the, what I should say, Toker. And then we come back after 3 hours, it should come back, 3-4 hours, it should come back.
Yes.
So, for the ladies in the area, for the people of the street, they can go freely, okay, they can come without any charges. Okay. I will also have an ambulance there, if there is some problem, so, very often it happens. There are people, you see, everybody cannot afford ambulance, so there should be free ambulance there. And it expenses for the rich people of the street, they should afford it.
Yes.
And there is some library which should be there. Now it's not national library, but a couple of newspapers, sometimes, or TV should be there. The young and old people, they should come, and especially ladies, okay? one portion should be for male, one portion should be for ladies, so ladies should also spend their time, okay? So, social problems of this street, this should be discussed there, okay? So, no one should stay lonely. I personally believe that no one in old age, people should not stay lonely. They should not think that, not only as we have these circumstances, families, they usually, when children grow up, one becomes an engineer, he goes to another country, and one becomes a doctor, he goes to another country, city, so the parents are gentlemen. Okay? So they are back home, nobody comes, they don't invite anybody, they are also afraid. So there, and they should come, there should be a place for them to come, sit, and you see other people of this street, you see young boys,
Yes.
actually they will also come, there are some gentle boys as well. They will come, they will sit, and in this way, they will have good chat with them. So their time, old age time, it will not be very heavy on them.
Yes.
And there should be a doctor, okay, every week, permanent dispensary should be there
Yes.
to Parmaramati. If a person you see, it happens, चोट लग जाती है, ठीक है, पैसे नहीं है, जोड़ दे उसको पैसे, तो he should, there should be a dispensary, okay, उसको dressing कर दें, or there is a fever, they should put small metal. So every third day, twice a week,
Yes.
there should be a doctor, and he should check all the members. Those who are, if there is somebody ill or not feeling well, so he, free of cost, there should be checked,
Yes.
and the necessary medicine should be there. And if it happens, if we are in community, you know, and if doctor can see some symptoms like you see corona, you see we have this, so immediately we can detect it and we can send to the person to the proper place. We can arrange, we can isolate him, things like this. Do you think that this is very good idea?
Yes, it's a very good idea.
And it should be, if it is in
It's social welfare.
this, you see our areas like counselors or they should make this and they should supervise. You see, in every street, in a street, they see there are see houses, almost 3, 4, 5 are rich people that we are living. We have good enough money.
Yes.
And to एक दो गाड़ी को donate कर देना, it's not a problem for them.
Yes.
In the past, life was easy because these facilities were there.
Yes.
Okay? I remember Dara, Haveli type, there was a place, it was open for everybody.
Yes.
We used there, we played there, okay, elderly people used to come there after work, they sat there, they discussed their village issues, and it was place for we see पुराने की शादी also sang, and वहाँ पे तो उस जमाने
मसला पंचायत बैठ जाती थी.
पंचायत ऐसी it was all there, and that was common. हो सकता है maybe किसी बादरी की हो land or किसी का हो, but it was open for everybody. Okay, we spent there a lot of time and we used to play there.
Yes.
And all the elderly people, they are also watching. They are keeping an eye on us. Okay, yeah, it's getting very long class. Okay, it's 8:30 now. It's a long class. Okay, see you tomorrow. Okay, yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Allah Hafiz. Okay. बेटी हाँ बेटिया आ जाओ